Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see in a Spotify how to follow your favorite artist. I know everyone is a fan of someone, so if you're using a Spotify frequently or very often on your iPhone, that time if you want to follow particular artist, how to do it? So do one thing, go ahead and open Spotify and here open the song and play the songs. For example, any song you want to play, okay, play it, and when the song is playing on your screen in Spotify, just swipe up. And here if you see, the below part will be about the artist. Any song you're playing, there is an option called about the artist below given to you. Okay, here if you see, here is the artist, and here if you see option called follow. And once you follow it, once you do it, automatically that artist will be added to your playlist or your library. Then you can easily access him or follow him for all the music.